What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the feed line to the Avalanche and the return line, aka the evap line. So here are the parts, and I'll put the part numbers in the description below. Let us get right to the video. So obviously what I'm going to do is, instead of trying to pull out the rotten lines throughout the vehicle, I don't know how they're routed and whatever, I'm just going to feed these through and route these over the rotted lines and plug these directly in and just leave those to rot away. When I do the refurbished part of the truck project, then I'll get rid of those. But until then, we're just gonna do this. Now, these lines are different, so you can't just make the, well, you probably can't make these if you're talented enough, but they're pretty different. They have little flex pieces on them. They cost about $100 something. They're pretty expensive. The dealer wanted almost $200 for them, but I found them online way cheaper and original AC Delco. So I will leave link in the descriptions for them. This one here goes to the fuel rail and all the way to the pump, and then the next one is just a return. So let us get started on doing this right now. So we located our fuel rail, and this is the tube at the other end of our line on the new one. So we're gonna disconnect this, and you need one of these. So we're gonna find the right one, disconnect the fuel line, and install our new hose. So wish us luck. So first we gotta actually remove this thing, which is pretty easy to remove. It's just a clip, and you just gotta pop it up and it should come right out like that. Put it off to the side. Don't lose it. Like cake. So it's very easy to get this off the fuel line. You want to get one of these. In this particular one, it is a 3/8, and the 3/8 will fit in there. So in here you can see that there are little ears or tongs or whatever you like to call them, and they hook onto the fuel rail so they don't snap back. What you want to do is pull it forward towards you, insert this in, and then it'll pop right out. Super easy. It works for every single one of these styles. So the same concept, that's how you do it. Alrighty, guys, so here is what went on. Here's the problem. You guys saw that I got the two lines and I went to put it in. Obviously, you're not going to see any clips of me putting this in because it's extremely difficult to do so. The reason I look like this is because there's a ton of rust and dirt and all kinds of stuff that fell on my face and whatever. Plus, it's very hard to maneuver on the floor to do this stuff. Today's episode, complete bust. It was not good. It didn't work. I got super frustrated. These are the moments when you actually don't see the frustration in me. I'm really annoyed right now because, one, truck was supposed to get running today. It didn't get running. Two, the first line was annoying to get in, but we finally got it in. The second line, which is the return line, was a complete pain. It's ridiculous. The angles that it goes in and stuff. I should have just, like, I don't get why they don't make a long, flexible, braided line to just easily route. I don't get why do they have to use stainless steel hard lines. Why do they have to do that stuff? Why can't they just use flexible braided lines from one end of the truck to the next end? Unless someone out there knows of something that actually is like that, leave it in the comment section for me and let me find this. I spent basically almost 100 something on those lines. Finally got the second line up, but now there's so much tension on that line that I can't even plug in the evap per solenoid piece. So I'm really annoyed right now. It's dark. I started early, and the night fell on me, and I didn't even get to edit this yet. So you guys are gonna get to see this edited, which is basically the intro and then me talking right here in the end. It's annoying. The fuel line thing is annoying. I don't know why it couldn't wait till the refurbished project when I could have lifted the cab off the frame and then I can do it here. Then I could have done it there, but in this neighborhood you can't do that stuff here, so I have to try to figure out some way to get it to line up properly. Another thing too, it's touching on the drive shafts. That's something that I don't want to happen because it's going to keep spinning on the line. If it breaks through, causes a spark, boom. I don't want that issue. So I gotta figure out a way, zip tie everything out the way. The old lines are still in there. It's just a pain. So I'm gonna end this here. Sorry that you guys didn't get to see any clips on this. Sorry that you guys have to hear me rant and be upset and annoyed. And typically, I'm not gonna lie, this is how I actually get sometimes. Sometimes I get so frustrated to the point when I'm actually trying, it just bothers me. I get super annoyed super quickly when I'm working on these things. I try to keep my patience with these things. Certain things like rattle my patience, especially when I'm under the truck trying to do something and rust and stuff just keeps falling in your eye, and no matter how many pairs of safety glasses you wear under there, somehow rust finds a way through the safety glasses and in your eyes, and it just gets annoying. So I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna try to de-stress, and we will pick this up back in the morning. So I will see you guys for the next episode. Hopefully it's a better day tomorrow, and I would like for you all to leave a comment in the comment section below, like this video, and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I apologize for the bad negative energy that I'm putting out here, but I'm human and it really sucks right now. So I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.